Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Shut off the circuit breaker for that switch and verify no power with a non-contact tester. Once done, remove the wall plate screws and lift the cover. Do this carefully to avoid nicking paint. You need a flathead, Phillips, and the replacement switch at hand. A small flashlight helps. Make sure to keep screws in a safe spot. This is not setup talk. This is the first actionable step toward swapping the switch safely and efficiently. Next, you remove the switch from the box and loosen terminal screws while supporting the wires. Take a clear photo so you preserve exact wire positions. Once wires are free, inspect insulation and terminal ends for heat damage or corrosion. Replace any damaged pigtails before proceeding. Now attach each conductor to the new switch exactly where it was. Hot to hot, ground to ground. Pull gently to seat the wire and then tighten the terminal to secure connection. Good seating prevents future faults. Finish by pushing the new switch back into the electrical box, aligning it squarely, and fastening the mounting screws. Make sure the switch operates freely before replacing the wall plate. Then turn the breaker back on. Test the switch by operating the light and verifying with a non-contact tester that there's no unexpected voltage at the plate. If the switch buzzes, trips the breaker, or doesn't work, shut power off again and recheck your connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.